Yeah. So now that that's we are going to start recording. Yeah. So here you can do this line like this. Okay. And after the basic frame is done, okay, so you can go line like this, and here in this shape, the basic shape of circle, okay. So we are using these parts little bigger, okay. And the part of eyes is, okay, make it little easy, okay, like this. So I tell you, some artist name is Aaron Blaze, Nathan Fox. This all are the great artists of India, all over the world. So, so we have follow that artist work to learn lots of new things. Okay. The Uncle School of Art. What is this? So after that, here you can create line. Yes, yes. So this eyes actually it is looks uh, see first ups and down. You can create this like this. Okay. So just make it like this. Okay. For like understood now. So it is actually take its dark line like this. Okay. So now after that, this part you are creating. Okay. So how are creating this? These guys are drawing. These artists are working in Disney, and they always, like follow the real uh, reference. So when they are these guys are draw with this lion. Yeah. So slowly improvements. So you can to this, like, okay, using so today we are focusing these two things, working, okay, uh, first outline, and first do the sketching, then the next one sketch more, and then after that we are doing this mixed media. We are create okay, watercolor and charcoal, both are mixing and experiments with this mediums. Okay, let's, so you can make it pencil with the, okay, some feathers kind of that I use, like, okay, we are using some small strokes. That strokes also, very, we are creating very realistic stride to draw this realistic. Okay, we are using some different paper also today. We also try the brown paper, gray paper, somewhere rubber, okay, to focus the highlights. So you can use somewhere that this rubber to erasing some space into highlights. So